So now let's see how we can work around with Lapace Filter inside of GIMP. So over here you can see that I have an image around over here. So I'm going to go around over here onto filters right here. So once I go around onto filters, I'm going to go around over here onto let's say for example the as detect section, and then over here you can see that Lapace is an option. So once you go around onto Lapace, you can see that it detects out the edges around over here on the picture, and that is it right here. So you can go around, work around with the opacity on how much you want the effect to actually appear right here, just like this, so that you can see out the edges right here. And there's blending modes around over here as well, which allows you to go around and then see the effect normally right here. But let me just go around and replace it out and work around with the opacity right here. You can see the preview, you can see the before and after, and then see the split view to see the before and after by dragging it out as well. So this is what you have, as you can see. So let me just go around and press OK, and the Lapace filter is applied just like this, as you can see. So this is how you can apply out Lapace filter inside of GIMP. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.